Now, how I have made over $7,950 in current week with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads, and spending $2,600 on Google pay-per-click ads. Now, in this short 6 minutes video, okay, I'm going to reveal to you exactly behind the curtain, behind the scenes, as a super affiliate, as someone who is making thousands of dollars daily with affiliate marketing for years, to know exactly what is actually working in 2026. Now, as you can see over here, right, this is one of my new accounts. I have multiple accounts. The reason why is because I like to promote different niches, different categories. So I like to keep things more tidy. Okay, so the results are really important. Okay, why I'm showing you this. The reason why is because as you watch this video, right, in 2026, if you're a beginner, maybe you have tried affiliate marketing, you have to know that when you're running offers or products online, you have to know exactly who is your audience on a deeper psychological level. As you can see over here, right, those are my results, $2,600 I spent, and revenue is $7,900 and profit over 5,000 US dollars. Okay. Now, the most important thing is buyers traffic. Okay. Because when we are promoting products on ClickBank or any other CPA networks, we are looking for buyers traffic, buyers clicks. Okay. Buyers clicks and buyers intent. So buyers traffic is already looking, actively searching on Google for solutions to their pains and problems. Okay. So the most important thing when I go on Google, as you can see over here, I'm looking for conversions. Okay. On people who are already product aware. They are already, let's say, solution aware, problem aware audiences. It's very important. Why? Why? Because as you can see, we have two types of people. Okay. Let's say we have same weight loss ad, Nutra, right? But two completely different persons. One is buyer and one is curiosity clicker, browser. Okay, they don't have buyer's intent. They're just curious. What is this weird, ugly image, or what is this weird video that I'm watching? But they never purchase, they never swipe their credit cards. You're looking for people with credit cards or debit cards who are buying ClickBank products. Okay, so that's how you make affiliate commissions every single day, without showing your face, without having to make any videos online, right? Example, let's say you're promoting product that pays $500 per sale. Maybe you have front-end product, you just ebook, or I don't know, weight loss supplements for $250, $300, right? And they have some upsells as well. Okay, so you would have only 5 sales per month to make $2,500 a month, besides your 9 to 5. And remember, you don't have to quit your 9 to 5. You can still work at your job. If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this beside your 9 to 5. If you have 10 sales a month, you can make $5,000 a month. Just an example, okay, at these commission levels. If you have 20 sales a day, 20 sales per month, you're making 10,000 US dollars per month. Okay, what you could do with extra, I don't know, 5K, 8K, 10K per month. Okay, maybe you can take extra vacation for your family. Maybe for lots of people, it's basically life-changing online income. Okay, so this can work for you. Okay, even if you have never made a single penny or dollar online. Okay, why? Because you don't need to have your own website or tech skills. It's not about IT. It's about psychology of markets, criteria of markets. Now, you don't have to learn this yourself. Okay, what I did to fast forward myself to the better future is actually paid someone to help me one-on-one, step by step, by giving me psychology of market, emotional states of market, so you can actually target with Google pay-per-click ads exact audiences. We have positive and negative keywords on Google. So I target precise audience with the exact message to the market match. Message to the market match. It's very important. Once you have that, you will finally be able to get sales with affiliate marketing. Okay? Because let me give you an example. Look, this is what 95 of affiliates who are broke, who are losing money do. And again, it's not your fault if you're one of them who has tried ClickBank or different courses and you have failed. Why? Because you need to get people with buyer's intent. If you do something like this, like for example, how to lose weight or lose 30 pounds with this product, weight loss product, right? People will click through. but never buy. Okay, you will get your ad account shut down with this kind of wording and language patterns. So it's not worth it to do it yourself, to do it alone without any help, without any one-on-one support in 2026, right? As you can see over here, right, we have affiliate A, someone who is super affiliate. They bring in 8 to 15 sales a day, or even more, 50 sales a day, and someone else is $500 a day spent and 0 sales. Why? What is the difference? The difference is that someone understands market on a deeper emotional, psychological level, because marketing is all about emotional states and psychology online. Okay, that's what also copywriting is. Okay, so it's very important to understand that if you want results. As you can see, we have different type of audiences. You have unaware audience, problem aware, solution aware, and most aware audiences. Once you have the right type of audience with precision level, you target them with the right information, with the right message to the market match, and you will be able to get results. Now, as you can see over here, people just like you watching the video right now, the results they are getting, okay? She is from Spain, one of my clients, one of my students. She is from Spain. English is her second language. She has made over 25K, 25,000 US dollars per month, okay? In different niches, like baby niche, manifestation niche, weight loss space. Another student over here. So, single, stay-at-home mom, okay? So it's really important to understand. Now, it doesn't matter where you're from. What matters is your action level. That if you want results, if you're serious enough to take action. Now, what affiliate marketing has done for me, and it can absolutely do for you as well, as you watch this video right now. You see, I have traveled to over 70 countries, thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing. You see, I've been to all the way from Bali, US, Australia, anywhere you can imagine. Now, not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you take ClickBank affiliate marketing seriously and start getting results. So one of the things is you can do right now. You have 2 options. One option is you can keep doing what you're doing. You can stop watching this YouTube video, go about your day, forget about it. Or if you're someone who is serious, who is smart, who is action taker, you can get this complete system today that can allow you, and it will allow you to start having daily results and then scale from there. Okay? So what you can do next is you can connect with me, but only, please listen to me, if you're serious. If you have some money to invest in yourself, if you're actually action taker, meaning you have 20 to 30 minutes per day that you can do this. Again, you don't have to show your face on camera or do any complicated videos. No, it's all done together with you. You can connect with me on Instagram, my WhatsApp, yes, my personal cell phone number, my email, and my Facebook Messenger, all in the links below in the description under this YouTube video, okay? But connect with me only if you're serious, if you actually want results in 2026 and beyond, and have actually daily sustainability, meaning sustainable income online.